Hey everyone, I'm Tim. Today I'm thrilled to show you a game changer in the world of do-it-yourself pest management. The Tomahawk Motorized Sprayer. This powerful tool is not just any sprayer. It's your key to creating a pest-free environment for your home and yard. And for those of you with livestock, perfect for ensuring your horses, cows, and other animals are comfortable and healthy. One of the things I love about this sprayer is how easy it is to start. On the first pull, it's perfect for tackling large areas quickly, saving you time and effort. Whether you're dealing with mosquitoes, ticks, or other insects, this sprayer has got you covered. Its robust design ensures you can reach all those hard-to-get spots, from tall trees to dense shrubs. Check out this sturdy tank. It holds up to 5 gallons, so you can cover your entire property without constant refills. And with its powerful engine, you can reach up to 30 feet and get a consistent, fine mist that penetrates deep into foliage where bugs like to hide. And with Tomahawk's adjustable spray nozzles, you can customize your spray pattern. Whether you're targeting tall trees, low ground cover, or need deep root irrigation, you can set it up exactly how you need. For the best results, remember, always read the label for proper mixing and safety instructions. Lift the sprayer with the help of a wall or the bed of your truck. Use a pre-mixed 50-to-1 two-stroke fuel, like True Fuel. Lastly, never run the machine without liquid in the tank. And let's not forget about comfort. This sprayer comes with padded straps and a back cushion that makes it easy to carry around, even when it's fully loaded. I often get asked about maintenance. The great news is, this sprayer is as easy as to maintain as it is to use. Plus, Tomahawk offers excellent customer support and quick access to spare parts. And if you ever have any questions or need support, the folks at Tomahawk Power are super friendly and know their stuff. They back their sprayers with a solid warranty too, which shows just how much they stand behind the quality of their products. So if you're looking to take control of your pest problems, the Tomahawk Motorized Sprayer is your reliable partner. It's efficient, effective, and easy to use. Perfect for DIY pest control. Say goodbye to pests and hello to peace of mind.